Coal miners had gone on strike all over the United Kingdom. The railway had to buy coal from Poland. There was a problem with this new coal, however. It was very dusty and burnt with clouds of thick black smoke. The engines were very cross with it. It made more ash too, and before long all the engines had pains in their smoke boxes. Hot ash gathered there and gave them the most awful indigestion. One day Toby was trundling down the line with Henrietta. He was late and the coal didn't help at all.
This coal is awful.
Don't worry, Toby, we'll rake your fire when we get to Farquhar. They didn't get far before Toby clapped out altogether.
Go nuts.
We'll have to telephone for help.
I hate my life. Why couldn't I be a bus? It's about time you turned up.
Come on, come on. No, Thomas, stop, stop! Off we go, off we go. No, Thomas, stop, stop now! I'm telling you to stop! Zippity-doo-dah, zippity-ay. My, oh my, what a wonderful day. Plenty of sunshine, plenty of rain. Zippity-doo-dah, zippity-ay. No, Thomas, stop! Ah! Ah! Oh my God! Ah! 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 Has it stopped? Whoa, that wasn't supposed to happen. You fucking cunt!